Welcome back to your own class. English is fun. Students, टेस्ट के चक्कर में आपकी मैम अपने लवली स्टूडेंट्स को न्यू ईयर विश करना ही भूल गई. So my dear students, here your teacher wishes you all a very happy new year. May you work harder this year and fulfill all your dreams. May you always smile and feel energetic every time. Students, there are many things in our life for what we should be thankful every time. अब आप कहोगे, मैम हमारे पास तो वही पुराना है, तो हम क्यों थैंकफुल हो? But my dear students, if we compare, then we will find that we are very lucky than other people in the world. We all are blessed with loving and caring parents, siblings, clothes, food, house, and many more. Today, in this module, we will sing a thankful song and cherish the things we are blessed with. But before going further, let's know all the answers of the questions asked in picture comprehension. So, this was the picture given to you in the previous video. All of you now be ready and match your answers. Question number 1 is, what does this picture show you? आपको ये बताना था कि ये पिक्चर आपको क्या दिखा रही है. तो इसका आंसर होगा, this picture shows us a family. सेकंड मैंने पूछा था, how many members are there? इसका आंसर होगा, there are 6 members. थर्ड I had asked, are they looking sad? क्या वो sad दिख रहे हैं? इसका आंसर होगा, no. फोर्थ I had asked, where are the grandparents sitting? That means जो grandparents हैं वो कहाँ बैठे हैं? आंसर है, the grandparents are sitting on the sofa. फिफ्थ I had asked, who are standing at the back of grandparents? So, answer will be, mom and dad are standing at the back of grandparents. Students, सिक्स मैंने पूछा था, what type of family do you have? That means आपकी कैसी फैमिली है? अब जैसे मेरी फैमिली बिग है, इसलिए मैंने लिखा है I have a big family. तो वैसे ही आपको अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के अकॉर्डिंग बिग, स्मॉल या जॉइंट फैमिली राइट करना था. सेवंथ इज, how are they all looking in the picture? That means वो सारे पिक्चर में कैसे दिख रहे हैं? तो आंसर होगा, they all are looking happy. Now students, let's sing this melodious song. That is thankful song. So, listen it very carefully and try to sing along with me. I'm thankful for the sun that wakes me every day. I'm thankful for its warmth when I go out to play. I'm thankful for the moon. I'm thankful for the stars. I feel that they're my friends, even though they're far. Every night and every day, I'll sing my thankful song, so I can see life's beauty that's stand there all along. I'm thankful for my brother who taught me how to climb. I'm thankful for the trees, I'm sure they don't mind. I'm thankful for my mom who always plays with me. I'm thankful for my dad who sings me to sleep. Every night and every day, I'll sing my thankful song, so I can see life's beauty that that stand there all alone. Every night and every day I'll sing my thankful song, so I can see life's beauty that stand there all alone. So my dear students, did you enjoy this song? Let's sing once again. So, listen me very carefully and sing with me. I'm thankful for the sun that wakes me every day. I'm thankful for its warmth when I go out to play. I'm thankful for the moon. I'm thankful for the stars. I feel that they're my friends, even though they're far. Every night and every day I'll sing my thankful song, so I can see life's beauty that stand there all alone. I'm thankful for my brother who taught me how to climb. I'm thankful for the trees, I'm sure they don't mind. I'm thankful for my mom who always plays with me. I'm thankful for my dad who sings me to sleep. Every night and every day I'll sing my thankful song, so I can see life's beauty that stand there all alone. Every night and every day I'll sing my thankful song, so I can see life's beauty that stand there all alone. So, what are you thankful for? Let me know through this activity. So, in this activity, what you have to do is you have to record your video and speak at least 5 lines that you are thankful for. And then, the students, those who will send me their best videos, I'll take their names in my next videos. So, till then, be thankful. Send your videos. Wear mask, follow hygiene, maintain social distancing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.